man. Yo, God, that thing is too clean. Stop playing, Dolph. Rest in peace, Dolph, man. Oh, my bach. Old school my bach. Crazy. What was that? Hold on. I gotta get this though. He down there revving up. I'm trying to get some of everything. Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Burn out! Oh, let's see what the Mustang doing. I gotta go down here. I gotta at least get the motorcycles, people. Got a female motorcycle right there. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what he finna do. Let's see what he finna do. Yes, sir. He over there flexing hard. They over there flexing hard over here. They are over here flexing hard though. And you got the Dobsons right here that's coming out. They coming this way, that's what I'm talking about. Grab it! Old school. Grab it. Grab it.
Grab it up.
Rev it, rev it, rev it. Oh, they got the Batman coming out. I gotta get the Batman. I gotta get the Batman coming out. They're gonna rev it, rev it, rev it. But you look like you can't see. Let's see what this do. Your shot. This thing smoking right here. Grab it. Got a dunk in the building. Got a dunk in the building. Start raining. And then somebody got to draw them out. Yeah, it's about to start raining. I feel it. That's why I'm about to walk because my car far as hell.
Yeah, same.
Our car is far as fuck.
Honestly, I think here is better than the highway place because you can get photos. And it's like the first good photo.
I gotta get a little bit more people. It is about to start storming. And I gotta go because I parked far as I don't know what. But whoa. Whoa. Lemon road runner. Oh yeah, it's gonna come down like crazy. I gotta get ghosts. I gotta get ghosts, people, because I parked too far. And I'm gonna be soaked up. So listen, people. Listen, people. I'm about to start running, but it's about to start storming right now. I gotta get going because my parked too far. But this is the end of the video. I hope you come back for more. There will be more videos. So like, comment, subscribe. Don't be afraid to get out there and explore the world. And it is storming now. God dang, I can't even get my words straight because it's about to come down. It's literally coming down. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Don't be afraid to explore the world. Please, please subscribe, like, everything. And thanks for watching. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'm over here. All right. I gotta get a little bit more. I gotta get a little bit more. I gotta get a little bit more, people. I gotta get a little. We got police now. God, man. We got more cyber trucks leaving. They are flexing up hard out here. It is gonna be a pandemonium. It is pandemonium now. I had to get a little bit more, even though my what's name died on time as I was leaving. But I gotta get a little bit more. They are going crazy out here. They are going crazy out here. That was a supercharger right there, people. All right, so I'm gonna have to go through this. So once again, well, let me let this go fast. I'm trying to get the closest I can get to my car because I parked far. I'm gonna have to cross this street real quick. But yeah, people, like, comment, subscribe. Oh, my trailer out here. He got a tractor out here. I see you, my man. They got a tractor out here. But yeah, people, we out. We are out. So like, comment, subscribe, people. They got Jeeps too. Oh, man, they still going. So this is really the end. This right here is really the end of the video right here. So listen. I'm trying to see, where the heck did I park at? I don't even remember where I parked at, people. I gotta focus. But so listen, like, comment, subscribe. This is really the end of the video now. Even though I had to get a little bit more. And on top of that, on cue, my GoPro died. And on top of that, I only got like, what, 1 minute left of memory. Oh man, he flexing up too. He flexing up too. But so, like, comment, subscribe. Don't be afraid to get out there and explore. And thanks for watching, people. All right.